What we're doing right now is we're going to try and do an underwater recording with a condom, which reputedly was all the rage in the 60s, before they had fancy underwater mics. Experienced journalist, Catherine Gretzinger, very experienced journalist, Catherine Gretzinger, suggested the condom method, seeing as we couldn't afford a hydrophone. First you put cellophane over the mic cord, because you don't want that getting wet. It's technically sealed, but you want to kind of protect it a little. Then you get unlubricated condoms, which is just like, ouch. They don't sell them anymore. That was the thing in the 60s to make it less fun for women. Now, all the condoms are lubricated pretty much. So I actually had to open these babies up and rinse them out repeatedly. Rinse and repeat. Hold that down. I think you want to get rid of that little bubble at the end. The real key, I think, is going to be the elastic band action. So you put one at the base of the staff, obviously, right? The thin staff. And then get that as tight as you possibly can without snapping the elastic. Yeah, one more. Good, for good measure.
Better be safe.
Shine doesn't mess around. It's Jennifer Shine, managing the cable. All right, so then you take the elastic, the second elastic band, and this is critical, and you put it around the tip, but just below the head of the microphone.
This looks super painful.
Yeah, very constricting. Yeah. It's true. All right, so I feel pretty comfortable now. We could put another condom on for good measure, but I feel pretty good. What do you think? Because you want it to be thin so that it will vibrate, so that it will not interrupt the action on the diaphragm of the mic.
I trust Trojan.
See if we can totally. Yeah. Okay. So,
are those protective sun goggles that you're wearing for this?
Protective goggles are recommended. Yeah. Okay, so check, checkity check, checkity check, check. All right, so we're gonna just test the waters here, okay? Just test the waters. Here we are, we're above water. You can hear my feet moving through the shallow water. See what happens when we dip it in. Oh, that is so good, you guys. Is that your opening? So good. So I think it's best if I hold the mic still underwater and you guys walk by, then I'll get some good noise.
Whoa. I like that.
Checkity check check.
Yeah.
And then that still works. Up.
Do slowly.
Stop.
Slower. Deeper. Deeper.
I can't even. This is so amazing. Why did no one tell us before?
I don't know.
Why don't we even know our own sound equipment, you guys?
Yeah.
Like, no one tells us anything.